Did you know only 20% of Americans earn this? And that's passive income, money that you earn with little to no effort. It's also described as making money while asleep. Passive income, though, does not completely mean it's like a hands-off income approach. There is some levels of maintenance and management that still needs to be required to ensure the income stream continues successfully. But the benefits it offers makes such an attractive financial goal. And some of the key benefits of earning passive income, it's financial independence, right? You can reduce your reliance on your traditional 9 to 5 job and just gain more control of your financial future. Then there comes flexibility and freedom to pursue other interests like traveling, spend time with the family, or even start a new venture. Then you have income stability. You can build a consistent cash flow with multiple passive income streams to help mitigate financial risk and to provide a safety net. Then there's wealth building, right? You can reinvest your passive income or use it to acquire assets that appreciate over time. Then there's also the work-life balance. By reducing the need to trade hours for dollars, you can allocate your time, energy to other areas of your life that matters to you, such as hobbies, relationships, personal development, just overall well-being. Then retirement planning. You can build a portfolio of income-generating assets for steady income during the retirement years and enjoy a lifestyle with relying on pension and Social Security. And some of the examples of passive income is, first is what I do is generate passive income through my rental property, right? Having rental income. Then there's also dividend income, which is through stocks or funds. There's royalties you can get through work such as books, music, or patents. There's affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission. Then there's online courses or digital products, right? Creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or digital services. So those are the reasons why passive income is such a valuable tool to utilize in your toolbox when it comes to building your financial portfolio, building your wealth today. Stay tuned for more. Take care.